Hello and welcome to It Science. If I say velocity, what is the first word that comes in your mind? Obviously motion. But what if I say temperature? What is the first word that comes in your mind? I will explain that, but let me show you something first. First, I will measure the temperature of this water inside the glass, which is static. Static means this water inside the glass or the glass itself is not changing its position with respect to me. But if we could see the atoms and molecules inside the water, we could see that they are in motion, in a random motion. But as a whole, this amount of water is not changing its position with respect to me. Now let's measure the temperature. As we can see, it's 29.4 degrees Celsius. Now I am stirring the water of the glass for quite a longer time. See, it is now 29.6 degrees Celsius. Now we can see the temperature of the still water is almost 30 degrees Celsius. Now I will rotate this mixer grinder to impose random rotation, violent rotation to the water molecules. Now I am going to measure its temperature again. So you can see that it is 38 degrees Celsius. Temperature is actually the manifestation of kinetic energy of the molecules of water. But the kinetic energy are of three types. One is translation. That means the body is moving in a straight line like this. Other is rotation. The body is moving like this. And the third one is vibration. For water molecule, translation can happen in three directions: X, Y and Z. This is a choice of axis what I have made, but you can make your own choice of axis. The result of physics does not depend on how you label this axis. You may call this X, you may call this X, or you may call this X as I did. So if you are choosing the right hand coordinate system, then one thing you need to keep in mind that the labeling should be done from anti-clockwise direction. Like if this is X, we go in anti-clockwise direction. So this is X, this is Y and this is Z. And if I choose this as X, so this is my Y and this is my Z direction. For water molecule, translation can happen in three directions. Like in this direction X, what I have chosen, this is Y, this is Z. So three modes of translational motion are there. Rotation can also happen in three planes. Suppose this is my X axis, this is my Y axis and this is my Z axis. So there are three planes. This is XY plane which is bounded by X and Y axis. Another is YZ plane bounded by the Y axis and Z axis. This is my YZ plane. And this is XZ plane bounded by X axis and Z axis. So rotation can occur in XY plane, in YZ plane and of course in ZX plane. So rotation, like translation, also has three modes. Like translation and rotation, vibration is also there. The molecules are vibrating in this direction, and of course in this direction. So there are three modes of translational motion 3 modes correspond to rotation and 3 modes are associated with vibration of water molecules. In addition to 3 types of kinetic energies, there is one potential energy term too, which is due to the configuration of the water molecules. So this is the configuration of water molecule. It contains 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. Oxygen has a little bit electronic affinity. It means it loves electron. So there is a sharing of electrons of this hydrogen with the oxygen. This is covalent bond. This is the configuration which makes the water molecule polar. Polar means there is a shifting of positive charge towards the hydrogen atom and there is a shifting of negative charge towards the oxygen atom. Suppose this is another water molecule. It also has polarity. There is a shifting of positive charge here also and negative charge is here. So there is an attraction between these 2 molecules which is called the intermolecular attractive force, which gives rise to the potential energy. So in addition to translation, rotation and vibration, these 3 types of kinetic energy plus this potential energy gives rise to what we call internal energy of water molecule. Internal energy does not depend on the external conditions. For example, if the glass is on ground and if I put it on a certain height, this height is h, its potential energy increases, but the internal energy of the glass is still remains the same. So what happens when a phase transition from ice to water occurs? We can't actually read the temperature during the phase transition. It is 0 degree Celsius ice to 0 degree Celsius water, then the temperature of the water increases, then we can sense the temperature with some thermometer. When we supply heat to the ice molecules to make a phase transition, what happens is their potential energy changes. How? This is the bond between ice molecules. Now as I am applying heat, this molecule breaks. Bond breaking changes potential energy. But no change in kinetic energy occurs until all these bonds are broken and the 0 degree Celsius ice becomes 0 degree Celsius water. After that, the heat supplied to these molecules, this is now water and these are quite separated from each other now. Further, when we add some temperature from outside, then their kinetic energy changes. It may so happen their translational motion increase, which will lead to increase in translational kinetic energy, which is half mv square. Their rotational motion may increase, which means their rotational kinetic energy I omega square also increases, and of course their vibration may increase. So then only we can realize or sense the temperature rise through a thermometer. So what we have learned today, first thing is temperature is basically the manifestation of kinetic energy. If kinetic energy increases, temperature also rises. Second thing is there are 3 types of kinetic energies are there: translation, rotation and vibration. 3 types of kinetic energy plus 1 potential energy, which is due to the configuration of the molecule, gives us internal energy. So internal energy is a summation of 4 energy terms. Internal energy does not depend on the position of the substance, and when the phase change occurs, the potential energy modifies, not the kinetic energy. So during the phase transition, temperature does not changes. Thanks for your time.